how to find your YouTube TV password. I'm going to tell you how to find your YouTube TV password, especially if you forgot it or never set one up. First, YouTube TV uses your Google account, so there's no separate YouTube TV password. Your Google password is your YouTube TV password. If you're already signed in on other devices, you can check your saved passwords by going to passwords.google.com. If you don't remember it, go to the Google account recovery page, follow the prompts to reset your password. You might be asked to verify through your phone or email, and once you reset it, your new Google password will automatically apply to YouTube TV and all Google services. So again, no need to look for a special YouTube TV password. Just manage your Google account and you're good.